What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B, back with another short video. Happy holidays to everybody. Today I just got a small quick video for you all today. Y'all know I'm a big fan of HOGWORKZ, and they've been working with me for a while. Hey, and I'm grateful and thankful for that. But they sent me something over to show you all, and I think you might like it, y'all. They sent me over custom painted windshield bolts. Check that out right there. Very nice looking, y'all. Let me show you. These are for your windshield here. This here is a little, I can't get it out. See this little piece right here? If you don't have the windshield trim like I have, see, I got the windshield trim, so I couldn't use this. So if without this windshield trim here, you just stick that bolt right in that hole there and mount it up on here. It'll look mighty nice on your bike, yeah. So man, this is from HOGWORKZ right here, and I appreciate them sending them over. I wanted something on here because you know I got a little red theme going on the bike, and they have these in different colors as well as orange, black, blue, silver, green. Man, go get this for your holiday. Hey, make sure you use my discount code KellyBGlide and get 5% off of your purchase, and I really appreciate that. I don't get anything from that, so it's just a discount code, so my subscribers like you all can get a discount on your purchase from HOGWORKZ. So yeah, it's nothing that I receive, no commission, just showing the product that you might like for your bike, especially if you're looking for something with a little pop of color, and you know HOGWORKZ color match everything over there. So you go check out hogworks.com, and y'all, happy holidays. Until the next time, the next grind, we out. Peace.